Hello friend, welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. I recently purchased Canon EOS 6D Mark II with a 24-105 STM lens for my video making. I'm making car videos, and obviously you are not surprised that this is the second lens I have purchased. It's the latest 15 nifty, right? It's the STM technology everybody keeps talking about, yet nobody really made any good videos about the use in the video. Oops. This 24-105, it's absolutely silent due to video operation. Even using those built-in microphones on the 6D Mark II, you can't hear anything when it's focusing, right? Changing the focus. And I never could find any video which will finally answer this issue. So I had to go and buy my own. I bought it used, so let's go and see the unboxing in this video. And obviously 50mm and the full frame camera are the incredible combination, right? It's really needed. Everybody needs it either for photography or the video. There's no question about it. This looks brand new to me. This is Canon limited warranty, right? Untouched, unfilled, nobody ever used that before. That's pretty obvious. The seller, I kept looking obviously on brand new and so on. Brand new, it's 130. I kept looking on the used one. The seller said he just needed backup and he used it once. So far it looks he was absolutely right. This is packed like a brand new, right? Here we go. This is how it continues. And let's see, right, how is it packed. This is unboxing video. So once again, there is some kind of plastic in. If this was sold by the authorized retailer, this is what you are getting, right? So here is not that kind of white, soft material. This is one plastic and second plastic. And here comes the lens. Absolutely incredible. Canon on the front. Here is the back, right? It's a plastic with the steel mount on the back. And I honestly can't wait, guys, to try this thing, right? I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to see if that STM motor, stepping motor in this lens, it's noisy, and if that onboard camera, that onboard microphones, stereo microphones on that 6D Mark II, if they will catch the sound of it or not. And I speak about the video mode, so I guess we should try, right? I know it's unboxing, but I should not let you hanging. Shall I? No. Definitely no. Look at his beauty. Absolutely incredible. And I'm kidding you not right now. The camera, the 6D Mark II, it's in the same position, right, where that 24-105 was. Didn't move anything. This is the same place. And look how the field of view changed. Now let's see for the first time, and I'm honestly can't wait to see what will happen with the autofocus, if we will hear that STM motor or if it will be absolutely quiet. I kept watching these videos, and some videos were like making the sound. I couldn't figure it out. what the people are trying to show. So let's see. Here comes the lens. Did you hear anything? I didn't hear absolutely anything here. How fast was that? Is it making any changes? Do you hear the focus, how fast it is? I'm very happy right now for $84 used lens, which seems to be brand new shape, and the seller was absolutely clear and he wasn't making up anything. I'm happy. I don't hear anything. It's focusing and I don't hear any sound whatsoever. Here is the happy guy. This is absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to test this lens with the bokeh which will be behind it, right? For the photography with this full frame and for the video. I promise you there will be definitely different videos on this channel about the video capabilities of this lens. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.